Dancing Penguin! It's the last day of the decade. Pingu voiceovers. Okay, let's do this one last time, but you don't screw it up. Ring! Who could that be? Hopefully it's not my idiot son. Pingu! Stop! Just stop whatever the hell you're doing. But Mom, we want to play with our ball. Let's do it near Robbie's pool. The YouTube fans want him to be called Robbie. So, here we go. Oh, my parents are gonna be pissed. You're on your own, dude. Bye. Pingu, come back here, you idiot. Alright, we're going to a picnic, Pingu. Pingu, what do you have to hide there? Nothing, mother of mine. Just show me. Pingu, you better spend all your money no matter how it costs. If you don't, I'll spend it for you that you won't have any money left. My parents are so selfish like that. Look, I'll just get some new medical equipment. There we go. I'm about to end this man's whole career. Where do I go? Great, now I ripped the whole thing off. Yep, this is all I have. Now I'm gonna be poor just because of one stupid mistake. Bum bum bum. Ba-da-ba-da. A dog slid to the doorbell store, and he said to the man running the store, "Hey, bum bum, got any new bills?" The man said, "What the hell did you just say?" Ooh. That's wild. What was this? Ah! Ooh. Can I take this one even though I'm plopping? Okay, it's all yours. That's all you got? Yes, take it. Alright, whatever. My parents are gonna be so proud of me. Ooh, yeah, that looks good. I don't know how it stuck to the wall. Oh, look, honey! A new doorbell that looks like a trumpet appeared. Let's test it out. What the hell was that? I like this doorbell. This reminds me of July 4th and July 5th. Oh God, what do I do? I love this doorbell. What's that sound? I should go check it. What the hell's that door doing? Honey, what's going on? Retake. Seriously, what the hell's that door doing? Oh God, honey, what is it going on? I don't know, but the door is doing something suspicious. Oh my God, I swear this kid. Pingu, shut that doorbell. You okay, father? What? Oh, no, I'm not okay. We have no money, so I guess we're gonna have to spend our house money on this. Excuse me, sir. I would like to return this doorbell. And went, yeet. And now, huh? What did you just say? You need a new doorbell? I can't hear. I'm deaf. Okay, I'll try a calmer one. But I really wish that... I really wish I had that door. Now let's test it out. Ring. Ooh, honey, that looks good. Ring. Yeah, it really does ring. Hi, guys. Oh, Pingu. Did you see our new doorbell? Yes, and I just hit it with my ball. I'm sorry that I accidentally hit your doorbell. Yee.